Inmates, how's life behind bars? I am lucky and fortunate enough to bring you the D7 Pro dual beam. They've gone and taken a light that is ridiculously powerful and they've gone and made it even more powerful, but this time they've reined it in a bit by making it a dual beam. Did you know the D7 punches out 7,600 lumens per pod? The D7 Pro, with them all on 100%, punches out 11,600 lumens per pod, not a pair, per pod. 23,200 lumens in a pair. The Sensor 3 that are coming on, and I'll show you that close up on some separate video. Nice and dark out here tonight.